Hi, if you're making sublimation stickers, listen to this first.
Can you use sublimation ink on sticker paper? Short answer, not on regular sticker paper. And that's where most people get confused. Sublimation ink doesn't work like normal ink. It needs heat and a polyester or specially coated surface to bond permanently. Without that coating, the ink has nothing to attach to. Regular sticker paper is made to absorb ink, not bond with it. When heat is applied, the ink fades, disappears, or burns off completely. That's why prints often look fine before pressing, but fail as soon as heat is applied. This is where sublimation sticker paper comes in. It has a heat-activated coating that allows sublimation ink to bond correctly. That coating is what makes sublimation possible on stickers. The process itself is simple. You print your design with sublimation ink. You apply heat using a heat press. Then you let the sheet cool and cut your stickers. Sublimation stickers work best for indoor use. For waterproof or outdoor use, extra protection like lamination is needed. Using the right materials sets the right expectations. So yes, sublimation ink works on special sublimation sticker paper, but it does not work on regular printable sticker paper. Knowing the difference saves time, money, and frustration.